Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to uh, set up or create a meeting in Zoom. So it is an easy way. You just turn on the Zoom Cloud Meeting application and then you go to schedule and you can, here it's topic, you can set your name. Okay, so I choose this name and then I select the time. Is it the date that you want to do for your meeting? So for me, I put the same this day, and then I choose this time. So okay, here is you can choose the hour, the time, the duration that you for your meeting. So if you are not have this, you don't have the license, here it's not available. You can choose only 45 minutes. But for me, I have the license, so I can choose many hours that I need for my meeting. It's not a problem if you choose the time or duration, and then your meeting still continue after a right time. Zoom will automatically continue your Zoom meeting. So here you can generate your ID meeting that the user participation can join by this ID, or you have your personal meeting here, and you can put the passcode. It is the passcode. It's run automatically. Okay, and you can edit it. You can add another character in here, and then this your option. You can add to your meeting and video here. You can setting for your participation to join your video call here. Audio, you can select, you choose telephone or with commercial audio or other that. And calendar, you can choose Google Calendar or other calendar to remind you the time apps. Other option. Here you can tick here to allow a participant to join anytime. It means that they can go join before the meeting start or anyway. Here you can setting up your host meeting. Okay, you can block some user from some country. No problem if you to add the local participation. You can save it. Okay, here is the reminder. So let's get by it. Here's in the meeting. So you can see here in the start button, it means you can start, or you need to invite your friend or your member. You just copy the invitation here and pass into your group, and then they can join by us the links. I want to start it now. It's time up. It's 2 more minutes. Okay, you can choose join with audio. It's not use from your audio, maybe phone audio. You cannot listen anything. Yes. After all, you can list your meeting as you finish. In here is you list meeting, it means you list alone, other members still in this meeting, but you change this option, all members will turn off, will disconnect from the meeting. So that's all for my tutorial. Please enjoy your meeting. If you have any question or any problem, please drop your question under my video. Thank you.